Hey everybody, it's Richard RMAutodiag, and today we're going to have a quick look at Vpecker, and we're going to be using it on a SAAB. Okay, so we just go into it as usual. This is a SAAB 9.3, it's a 2004, and it's a 2-litre turbo. So we'll see what it comes up with. Try the auto scan. Not supported. So we're 2004. Do a quick test, see what it comes up with. So we got nothing. Maybe we're in the wrong one. Let's try the 9.3. Nope. Let's try this. No, it's 9.5. Try starting it. Doesn't look like it's going to work. Try it through OBD just to see if it will actually go into anything. So it picks it up here. Got some fault codes and stuff, but in the actual SAAB side of it, it don't work. So it will pick it up, and I have tried it on another scan tool. So that's a big no on Vpecker, certainly for SAAB 9.3 convertibles that are 2004. That's a no-go. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.